Hello YouTube, I am back, and you're probably wondering, where did this come from? Well, this is my, O-scale train layout, and if you're wondering if I ever collected O-scale, now you know. And, I'm gonna show you my collection as well. Sorry about that. I'm just going to take the camera off the tripod for just a minute. There we go. And I had running on the outer loop my blue Comet with all 5 passenger cars, and on the inner, by Lionel, by the way, in case you're wondering, and on the inner loop I had running my Southern Pacific 4449 Daylight with the 3 cars by NTH. And on the siding right here I have this big goods train. And if you're wondering about all that junk in the middle, yeah, I'm still experimenting about track layouts, but this is my one for now. And so yeah, in the siding right here I have a big freight train for whoever wants to take it next, I don't know. And there is my log loader 164 by Lionel. There's my railroad crossing. It doesn't work. I don't have it wired up, so it's just for show right now. Rotary beacon, same thing. I had it wired up, but I don't anymore because I now have the wires to the coal loader. The 97 coal loader. And the signal, same thing, no wiring there. My log loader does have wiring, in case you're wondering. Right here is Union Station, and right there is my loader with 2 barrels in it for my milk unloading box car. And if you're thinking, if I have Bachman Thomas, then I should have Lionel Thomas too. Well, I do. I do have Thomas. And I also have his 2 coaches too. Annie and Clarabelle, of course. So yeah, that's Thomas. And on to the collection. I already showed you the 3 up on the table right there. And right here in the display case behind the glass is 2 of them nicer trains, and which is the Rail Chief with the Hudson and the Hiawatha. And if you're wondering, in case you know, the Rail Chief does have 4 red cars, but only 3 could fit in there. The 4 is packed away in its box. The 4th is packed away in its box. And some of my other trains I have up here, I don't know, but that's a GP7 diesel right there. That's a chassis system. Oh, never mind. It's right here. My 4th Rail Chief car in the vestibule. It's right there. Never mind. And 2 more trains I have on this shelf, which I probably should have put one of them on the upper shelf, are the General set with that old timey engine, and those 3 cars, 1, 2, and 3 with the horses back there. And the other one is my Flying Yankee, if you can barely see it because it's kind of chrome. Both were made by Lionel, in case you're wondering, and that one was from Lionel too. This, my Santa Fe El Capitan set from Lionel. My Union Pacific M10000 set, that's from, let me think, that's from MTH. And in case you're wondering, my Thomas was Lionel. And so I have my layout set up right next to my Wall Tracks set, where I film my Wall Tracks time trials, and also, oops, tripod, sorry. And also right next to my layout, which I still have that thing right there from Birdie's Chase, from my HO layout, in case you're wondering. And yeah, I accidentally wrecked Knapford Station, but that's okay. And so, yeah, this wraps up my Guage train layout and collection video. Thank you guys for watching. This is TrainFan365, signing off.